Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here at VilstraX, we talk tech and make it fun for you all. In this day and age of technology, one thing that never fails to make us happy and give us inner peace is online shopping. After removing all the annoyances that come with physical shopping, there is just something about browsing through stuff, dropping them in a cart, and checking out that is extremely peaceful. So, it's not really a shock to see e-commerce booming. One of the biggest e-commerce sites that is everyone's favorite is Amazon. You can order daily household items to clothes, electronics, and everything else one can imagine. Amazon has it all and delivers it all. Amazon provides lower prices, faster shipping, and easy shopping. Plus, they have gained their customers' loyalty. This is how it has become a trillion-dollar company. The future is Amazon's. With this pace, Amazon is extending its roots into other service sectors, and it won't be long until it dominates them as well. The future looks like Amazon will be everywhere, in every city, in every house. So, what do Amazon's future cities look like? Technologically advanced, digitized, and customer-centric, that is for sure. Before we take a look at this city, let's take a look at its owner and founder, Jeff Bezos. Founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos is now a world-renowned business magnate, proprietor, and investor. He is also the man who plans to change the world that we live in. His futuristic aims to revolutionize our world and transform it into one where all customers are happy and where life is made easier with technology. He has already won so many hearts. He started his journey in a garage, much like other tech billionaires. He founded an online book-selling company that soon flourished into a multi-billion-dollar industry. People love Amazon for its customer-centric approach. According to Bezos, customers love their services, but they are always looking for more. That is a challenge that has pushed Bezos to achieve so much in so little time. Amazon City of the Future. Amazon has been using high-tech to facilitate people for years now. They have their own airline for shipping. The next step came with the use of drones for deliveries. Like these drones that fly high, Amazon has some pretty amazing technological advances they want to make. They aim to extend their roots within the service industry. With so many Amazon products and services, the future will definitely be one where we would see Amazon products everywhere. Before we know it, we are going to live in cities run by Amazon. So, what are Amazon's plans for the future? Amazon houses. If someone had told me years ago that I could buy a house from Amazon, I'd have smacked them pretty hard. But now, it's really not a shock. They sell everything, so why not a house? Yep, they are selling actual homes. Tiny, cozy, prefabricated homes that can be delivered to you in a matter of hours. The homes are pretty beautiful too. With a back porch, wood flooring, and barn-style roofs, this could be the house of your dreams. And just like most of the things on Amazon, it's easily affordable as well. What a delight! One of the first products for their city of the future just might be these houses. Cashier-free stores. Apart from shopping from the comfort of your bed, there are many other advantages of online shopping. One of which is, there are no employees or cashiers to bother you while you look around the store. Now imagine how amazing it would be if this becomes true for goods and groceries as well. No, not online shopping, but a store where there are no employees and no cashiers. You can roam around freely without anyone constantly asking, "How may I help you?" For people who just want to be left alone while they shop, this is a great development. It's not just a dream, but a reality. Amazon opened its first convenience store in 2018 with the name Amazon Go. It is cashier-free, meaning you walk in, pick up the items you want, and walk out. And no, it's not stealing. The technology behind these stores is that every item is listed and barcoded. There are many sensors and cameras around the store that detect when a person is walking out with a certain item. These sensors combined with the barcodes put the items you purchased in a virtual cart on the Amazon app. You then check out on the app and pay online. Amazon plans to establish these stores all over the country. What a fun grocery shopping experience that this will become. high-speed internet connection. In this tech-savvy world we live in, we can't imagine our lives without an internet connection. From ordering taxis to ordering food, from taking online classes to Zoom meetings, from connecting with friends to getting dates, the internet has become an important part of our everyday lives. The increasing demand for high-speed internet is the idea behind Amazon's Project Kuiper. Through this project, Amazon is developing an antenna terminal that customers can install in their homes and get high-speed internet. It is a satellite-based internet service still in its early stages of development. People have high hopes for this to succeed. Prime Air. Amazon is planning to reduce its delivery time to 30 minutes. Seems impossible when you think about it, right? But it's really not when you have a fleet of drones at your disposal. They plan to make mobile warehouses that can dispatch your orders through drones. This will revolutionize the delivery system. Imagine how happy you'll be to receive your order within 30 minutes. To make this a possibility, they patented the idea of a beehive. The beehive is a multi-story building that will act as a fulfillment center. Amazon plans to put its fulfillment centers in the heart of cities to make deliveries faster and easier. Docking stations. If the drones are going to be flying around all the time, delivering goods and packages, surely they're going to need a recharge. This is a problem that could have occurred with Prime Air and Beehive. Fortunately for us, Amazon has a solution. They want to put docking stations to refuel the drones. Not only that, these stations would act as delivery spots. Plus, they can shelter the drones during storms or rain. This is kind of a complex vision because it needs many administrative permissions. It might be a long way for this to become a reality, but once it does, imagine how cool it'll be. Self-driving cars. We have talked a lot about self-driving cars, but if we aren't getting flying cars, we'll have to make do with this. In June 2020, Amazon acquired Zoox, an autonomous vehicle company. This started a series of rumors that are yet to be confirmed. The rumors are that Amazon would release its own self-driving vehicles for delivery purposes. The vehicle would be a carriage-style car that not only moves forward and backward but side to side as well. This is an innovation we all want in our cars. It would be so easy to get out of a traffic jam. Apparently, Amazon thought about this as well. Another eye-catching feature of this car is its maximum speed limit of 75 miles per hour. With the invention of self-driving cars for delivery, it won't be long before the production of autonomous cars for general uses as well. That is the future that we can look forward to. Alexa. If you weren't aware already, Alexa is a virtual assistant developed using AI technology by Amazon. It can be used with the Amazon Echo Smart Speaker, Amazon Dot, and Amazon Studio. It works by activating voice control technology. It listens to what we want and helps us achieve it. The uses for Alexa are limited for now. In the future, Alexa will be taking care of all the simple household work and chores. In short, Bezos wants to integrate Alexa into developing a smart household. According to Priya Abani, director of Amazon Voice Sources, the company wants a future where Alexa is everywhere, a constant companion and assistant. It would be able to take care of your schedules, book cabs for you, order food for you, and just help you in general. Kinda scary that a small device is able to do so much, but also pretty exciting. No more running late because you forgot to book the taxi earlier. No more worrying about ordering food online. Maybe life will be easier with Alexa. Accessible healthcare. Among many other advantageous steps, this will be the most amazing. With the help of Amazon Care, Amazon plans to make healthcare accessible for all. It will provide virtual and in-person healthcare assistance. This will include in-app doctor appointments, physical checkups, and even delivery of prescriptions to your doorstep. A future where it won't be a hassle to book a doctor's appointment is one where people will truly be happy. Amazon plans to do exactly that. Becoming a multi-billion-dollar industry, Amazon has not forgotten its customers. In fact, Amazon's future visions directly benefit the people. They are setting new standards to satisfy their customers. If this future becomes real, it's safe to say that we will all be voting for Amazon as the mayor of this futuristic city. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment on what you think about these visions and how long it will take to become a reality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.